Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a portable pressure washer, the Fanttik NB8 Ultra. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. Inside it comes with the user manual, the detergent bottle, the spray gun and wand, turbo nozzle, the hose, charger, and the support bracket. Going over some specs, this is a cordless design, uses a 4000 mAh battery, up to 58 minutes of runtime, LED display, 3 pressure modes, low 300 psi, medium 500 psi, and high 725 psi. Comes with a 6-meter hose, 5-in-1 nozzle. It weighs in at 25.79 pounds. Taking a look at the unit, you can see the 15-liter water tank on the top with the measurements on the side. Right below that, you have the LED display, the power button, the mode button, and the charging port. You have the water outlet on the side to attach the hose, and here's a support bracket installed. You just have to insert it. Taking a look at the back, you have the adjustable pull rod along with the Velcro for the attachments. You have a pocket for the accessories so you can store them nice and neat, as well as a spray gun. There are 2 latches on the side. When in the open position, you can pull the water tank out. This will allow you to fill it up easily and take it to your water source. Looking at the top of the main unit, you can also attach a hose for a direct water source. Here it is powered on, and you can cycle through the 3 different pressure settings, and you also have the battery charge status on the top. And this is how the back looks when everything is on the unit. There is a rubber strap to secure the hose and the pocket for the accessories. Alright, so I have it outside here. I went ahead and filled up the tank with some water. I've connected the hose and then powered it on. Again, you can switch the settings on the bottom here. You can have high, medium, and low. And then I attached the nozzle here. So let's go with the low setting. You can twist it here, and you can adjust 0, 65, 40, 25, 15 degrees. So this is how the 15 degrees looks like. Just move this to the side. So this is on the low setting with 15 degrees, 25, 40, 65. This is more of like a spray here, and then 0. Okay, so I'll put it to the high setting right now, and then I'll just kind of rinse the car down. Let's put it to 25, so you can hear the motor pick up here. Again, very easy to transport. You got this handle and then the wheels, so you can just wheel it around. Settings, just 3 buttons for the low, medium, high. And you can see here. Okay, I've removed the spray nozzle here, and I've attached the soap, the foaming soap container here. So let's see how it does. This is on the high setting, so looking good here, producing a lot of foam. All right, I think it did a good job here. Put a lot of foam on the car, and then let's rinse it down here. All right, let's just do a quick rinse here. Okay, so that's a look at the Fanttik NB8 Ultra portable pressure washer. Very versatile, and I'm impressed with the power. You can use it to, you know, definitely wash your car, clean your driveway, sidewalk, patio, and you know the portability alone is excellent. Great capacity with the water, easy to transport, and you have the low, medium, high settings. So I left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.